All right, today we got another Ducati lost key replacement being done. Customer sent this in. This is going to be for a 2009 Ducati 1198. Basically, we're going to take a couple key blanks and figure out what the cuts are from scratch. Decode the ignition. Once we cut the keys, we're going to go ahead and put chips in the keys and then program the chips into the dashboard. But this is from 1198. So for those of you that are having problems finding a lot of people that can do this, reason being training, and number two is equipment. A lot of people, you can buy the equipment, but you need to learn how to use the equipment. And Ducati is not the easiest thing to work on or to program. So that's why you're having a hard time. As you see, we probably do a lot of them because we have a whole bag of keys. I deal with a lot of people throughout the U.S., a lot of mechanics. Some dealerships send me their dashboards for their customers to get programmed. And I deal with people overseas. So I've been doing this a long time. If you look at the YouTube channel, you'll see there's a lot of videos probably dating back to, I don't know, maybe 2008 or earlier. You don't have to believe me. You could just check the channel and look at the oldest videos. That's about it. But anyway, my intentions on this, as usual, I'm going to figure out what the keys are, what the mechanical cuts are to this ignition, make the keys, and then I'm going to pre-program the chips into the dashboard. Then after this, it's going to be plug and play. I'll be back with the keys cut. Thank you. All right, we're back. Everything's done. Keys made from scratch. I got two keys. You can see the cuts. And here you go. Let me get that steering bolt lock. My keys just don't turn on and off. That's the easy part. It actually can lock the steering wheel. The steering wheel of the bike. Excuse me, it's a little late. My throat's a little itchy. So at this point, everything's done. Everything's programmed. Let me grab my little quick reader here. You see there's no data. Key 1. Key 2. So that's it. Both these keys are programmed. They both have chips. They pre-programmed to the dashboard. So at this point, it's just plug and play. The bike won't even know the difference. Put everything back together. Make sure everything's connected. You could turn the key, start the bike up, and you're back up and riding again. So when this customer get this back, that's all they have to do. Oh yeah, and all of you guys that are, I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Give me phone calls. And doing a lot of referrals and turning me on to a lot of other people that need my help. So I appreciate that. And I'll have more videos to come. I got a few more units coming this week. So you'll see some more Ducati videos popping up probably within the next 2 weeks. I don't post the videos, right away. It takes me a little time to get the videos together, but that's it. Everything's done. Keys made from scratch. There's no damage. This will work. There's nothing else really to say about it. Thank you and appreciate y'all for watching.